Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project overview of the residential project that is Gitika, which is located in Velimela, Kolur, Hyderabad, a project by Supada Developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I'm standing just in front of the marketing office and the land parcel. So the land parcel comes over this side. This is total 60 acres of land parcel, and let me show you the connectivity. So this is the main road which connects you to the villa. And now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So starting with the project overview, this project is constructed in total 60 acres of land parcel, coming up with total 344 villas. And as you can see, the villas will be having private car parking areas. Now as you can see, this will be the internal road of the villas. And now I'm standing on the actual land parcel, and this way the construction of the villas are going on. Now one more thing to mention about the position, that this project is in nearly position like in December 2026. Now coming to the location part, this project is located in Velimala, Kolur, Hyderabad near ORR exit number 2. And now let me show you the locality. So basically this road goes towards the ORR. And now let me tell you the connectivity of the project. MMTS station is just 10 minutes away from the project. Wipro Junction is 15 minutes away. Financial district is 20 minutes away from the project, and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 30 minutes away drive from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project is coming up with 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities like of clubhouse which is spread over 50,000 square feet, jogging track, beautiful landscape garden, cycling path, multi-purpose arena, EV charging stations and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, so this project is coming up with 5 BHK plus private theatre villas starting from 5,320 square feet to 15,320 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will guide you about the actual location and show you the actual land parcel of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential villa project which is located in Velimala, Kolur, Hyderabad, and the project is Gitika, a project by Supada Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.